Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, let's see what we have in the content. Oh, and by the way, you know what? This is fantastic because I've also realized something else, right? Now let me just go back into our original page and let me show you what I realized. Okay, so notice how this is the home page, right? If you go into the about us page, we have the / about us. But notice this: if I reload, I get an error page. But we're on the about us page, which is not an error page, right? Now let me show you how we can fix that. Let's go back into our into VS Code, and then I'm going to add a netlify.toml file, netlify.toml. Okay, and then inside here we're going to have redirects, and we are redirecting from equals to / asterisk, and we are redirecting this to what is it, index.html, like so, with a status of 200. Is that how you do it? Okay, let me just confirm this. Okay, so this should say redirect into / index.html. Okay,